Good morning. Glad you're with us on Mile High Living. I'm Gina Bellich. All right, let's start off the new year right by saving some money, and let's go ahead and reduce that debt while we're at it. Brent Ivinson from Ideal Home Loans is here to cash in on how he can help you. Let's start off with rates. We always like to find out what rates are doing.
Rates are great. 3.75% on a 30-year fixed rate mortgage to start off the new year. So
that's pretty good.
It's really good. It's great. So it is a great time to take advantage. Again, we're going to see a lot of data start rolling in. It looks like it was a very, very lucrative holiday season for retailers. That's likely going to move mortgage rates the other direction. So take advantage of this window of opportunity because it is not likely going to last very long.
Well, a lot of people, unfortunately, this time of year are going to start seeing those credit card bills come in. The debt's going to kind of roll in a little bit. Nothing we want to see, but we can manage it, and you can help us do that.
Well, we can. A lot of people had a very happy holiday.
Yes.
I know those bills are rolling in at my house, and I'm looking at it going, wow, we really had a great,
great
holiday season. So we can help you out. You've got equity. We can put it to work. Now, we're not advocating stretching your debt out over 30 years. Here's what ends up happening. We're saving you so much money typically that we can show you how to take a portion of that savings, apply it towards your new home loan. You're going to pay your house off more quickly than you were scheduled to, so you get ahead there. That typically is a very big chunk of money. You're going to put money in your savings account each and every month, and you're going to get out from underneath that credit card debt, always spending no more than you are right now in your current situation.
Oh, people like hearing that. Absolutely.
Yeah, for sure.
Especially if they're not spreading it out even further.
Yeah.
But let's also talk about the fact that a lot of people are sitting at home right now, may not even realize they have equity in their home.
Yeah.
Maybe they don't know how to access it or have tried it and were unsuccessful.
Yeah.
You can help them there too.
Yeah, no, we've got a product available that will help you access that equity, and here's the great thing. Look at it this way. It's like selling stock in your home, okay? So you can sell a piece of your home, get that money, and put that cash to work, all with no monthly payment obligation as well.
Yeah, you're just hitting all the ding, 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 right? Like that, right? Okay, so let's say we want to refi to help with the debt, right? Let's do that. But a lot of people think, okay, breaking even on that, it's just going to take too long, so what's the point?
Yeah, a lot of people do think that, and here's what a lot of people are really surprised to hear. It is a handful of months, and you are putting real net dollars back in your pocket. This is not a multi-year proposition that takes years to recoup. It is literally a handful of months, and we can show you the math and how the math works in your favor.
We like that too.
Yeah.
A lot of people too sit there and they think, okay, well, I have a fairly good rate.
Yeah.
But if it doesn't drop more than a point or at least a point, it's not really worth doing it to refi.
Yeah, that's old analogies that are out there. So, loan amounts are so much bigger now. You see an average loan amount of $500,000 or $600,000 pretty routinely. So for consumers who want to look at refinancing, talk to one of our salary-based lending specialists. They can walk you through the process, and they can tell you if it makes sense or not. That rule of thumb of 1% doesn't exist anymore simply because loan sizes are so much bigger than they used to be.
A lot of people, too, talk about the fact that they want to hit the bottom of the market, right? They're going to wait for this and all that. You can help them, though, because really it doesn't matter anymore.
Well, yeah, here's the thing. If it's saving you money right now, take advantage of interest rates because it's much more likely they'll go up than go down further. But if they do, you're protected with our interest rate guarantee. And here's the way this works. If rates go down by 0.75% or more within 2 years of doing a home loan with us, we will refinance your existing mortgage with no lender fees so you can take advantage of that lower interest rate. And as a matter of fact, we'll even contact you and tell you it's in your best interest to do so you don't have to worry about it.
In case you forget.
Yeah, right.
In case you're not paying attention to it like you guys do every single day, which of course means happy clients. Let's go ahead and hear from one of them.
I was referred to Ideal Home Loans, and I did a new purchase with them, and I'm so glad that I was referred to them because they made the loan process so easy with their online platform. I would absolutely go with Ideal Home Loans again and would refer them to all my friends and family.
One of the great things, too, about refinancing is that you don't have to redo your loan mix it up into another 30-year loan. Some people have paid it off, and they're like, I'm happy with where it's at.
For sure. You don't have to reset your mortgage when you refinance anymore. So gone are the days where you refinance, and it means you start over on a brand new loan. We can take the progress you've made onto the next transaction. So if you paid 6 or 7 years off, we can give you a 23 or a 24-year home loan. You don't have to pick from a 30 and a 15 and a 20. We can completely customize your terms so you can take advantage of lower interest rates and a lower monthly payment by still doing the responsible thing and paying your house off as scheduled originally.
We tell people to call, but what can they expect if they pick up the phone right now and call you guys?
Well, what they're going to hear is what is it you're trying to accomplish, which I know seems really unusual in our industry because so many times you call and you're told, hey, here's what you should do. We want to know what your goals are. You know, if we can find out what you're trying to do short-term, long-term, what you're really trying to get at here, we can customize this whole process and this whole loan to your individual situation so that you come away with something that works both short-term and long-term.
All right, you're local and you're not a broker.
Right.
Why is that important?
Lending our own money makes a big difference, okay? It allows us to eliminate the middleman. You oftentimes wind up with lower fees, lower interest rates. That translates into lower monthly payments, but the process is so much easier. Because we're in control, when we quote you things, we can deliver those things because it's coming from our office right here locally. We are not a middleman stuck trying to coordinate things. We're lending our own money directly to our clients.
And the less paperwork, the better. I think I can say that for everyone.
Yes,
all right,
absolutely.
Brent, thank you so much. Okay, call 303-867-7000 now to schedule your free mortgage consultation. Start saving and manage debt. Act now to start your refinance process. Your first new payment not due until March of 2020. Learn more online, idealhomeloans.com. They paid for today's interview. Stay with us. I see